Hi, this is Christian from the ZionWorx team, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to be talking to you about using Bibles in ZionWorx 2014. So there are four options that you can use for Bibles. If you go over to the Bible tab over here, this is where everything happens, and the available Bibles that you've got are in this list here. So we offer two integrations and two file formats which are supported. The first integration that we offer is a piece of Bible study software called Online Bible. And if you use the PC version of Online Bible and you've purchased Bibles for that, then you can use that same Bible text inside ZionWorx. In case you've never seen Online Bible study software before, this is the website for it, and you're welcome to have a look there and find out what it's about. It's free Bible study software, so we integrate with that. The other major integration that we do is with BibleGateway.com, and Bible Gateway is very popular for good reason, that it's got a huge amount of available versions on it. Many different languages supported, and it really is a one-stop place to find text. The only thing you need is an internet connection for this. So if you have an internet connection at the time you're setting up your service, then this is great for you. If you don't have internet in your church when you're presenting, that's okay, as long as you've set up the service beforehand. Then you'll be fine, because the text is stored in the playlist. So it's only when you're setting up the service that you need the internet connection. So you could do that at home. Okay, I'll quickly show you these things in action. So Online Bible works exactly the same as Bible Gateway. So I've only got one version here because I've just installed the basic package. But you basically just pick the version, pick the book, pick the chapter, and you get the text ready to use. With Bible Gateway it's exactly the same. You just pick Bible Gateway instead, and it connects, and this is the last used passage that I had here, so it's showing me now. And here are the 150 plus translations that you can pick from Bible Gateway. Many different languages. Okay, I'm just going to present a Bible passage now. Let's just pick a different book. Let's pick John chapter 1, and let's pick the first 6 verses. So we just basically, you can click with the mouse, left click, you can shift click to select a range, or you can control click to select individual verses. So I'm just shift clicking to select a range there, and then you click in the selection area and drag into the playlist and drop, and you can present this in the usual way. So there we have the text over 2 slides. Let's just fade that up onto the main screen, and now you can present it like a song, like anything else. Everything works the same way. Now perhaps you want to apply a theme to that text to make it look a bit more interesting, a different theme. I've got a theme prepared here which is nice for scripture, a stained glass theme. Now I can select that and drag and drop it on to the target area of the playlist item there. That will apply that theme, and we'll see the results. There it is, very different looking, but exactly the same text, and again you navigate through it in the very same way. Okay, up in the top section here, in the Bible tab, there are some options. There's an option to edit slides, so you can edit the actual verses of the text if there's something wrong with the text, or if you need to make some modification. I will be careful changing scripture, but if you need to make some modification, then you can do that in there. But the other interesting options are here. So you can show the verse numbers like we have at the moment. You can turn that off. It will automatically update here. You can show verse titles So for example, this passage actually has a title, The Word Became Flesh, so you can choose to display that or not. And if you prefer to have one verse per slide, that's another option for you, and then you obviously get more slides here to present. Okay, finally I'm just going to show you the two local formats which we support, and these are a native ZionWorx format, which is a .zwb file. This format we started using in version 2.5 or 2.6, I can't remember, and there's only a very limited number of translations, I think 3, available in that format. But if you've been using those translations with 2.6, then you can continue using that Bible in ZionWorx 2014. That's not a problem. The other format which we support is a XML format called Zephaniah XML Format. Now, if you've never heard of that one before, I'll just quickly show you. If you have a look on Wikipedia here, Zephaniah XML. They have a project page on SourceForge, and OpenSong also use Zephaniah XML. It's very good. There's a lot of different translations, and you can just download them for free, most of them, and use them. And you have access to those obviously without an internet connection, because they're just files. So they may suit you depending on what you want to do. I'll very quickly show you how you install those. I've actually got 2 installed already. This is a ZionWorx native format, this Good News one, and this new Chinese version simplified one is a Zephaniah Bible. The way that you install these is very straightforward. You just go into the File, Options, look in the Bible tab, and down here under Local Bibles section, you can basically just pick your file, just clicking here, and just the file you've downloaded you just select, and then when it's selected you click plus to add it into the table down here, and if it's validated then it will appear with a title and the type, the format that it is, either a Zephaniah XML Bible or a ZionWorx native Bible, and that's it. Once you've just done that small thing, you'll see the Bible available over in the available Bibles list. While we're in settings here, let's just quickly look at these other options. So there's the default general settings that we saw in the ribbon tab up here. They're on the settings page here, so you can set defaults here. There's a way that you generally use it all the time. There's an option here to turn off Bible Gateway integration if you want to, and you can pick a different gateway interface, although to be honest I would just stick to the default one because it has more Bible translations available on the default gateway. This is the online Bible study software I talked about. If you have that installed on your PC and you want to connect to that, just tick this box. And that is basically Bibles. Thanks for listening.